Hello everyone. Today we'll start to our new theme, Techno Stack. It's the future of DeFi stacking is here. This is system about any user have ERC token can stack this token and get reward from same token or other as you like with small task management system to let user before claim reward you can visit your site or your tweet or any task you want. Okay, this will be good for Islamic way, for Sharia based. And let me see. When download the app or take this code, you will find this files here. Let's do thing like this. Let's close. Wait a minute. Okay. We'll find here this app. It's designed with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and also Node.js some endpoint because there is some Web2 and Web3 smart contract. We'll find here also contracts that we use and management, reward system and stacking. As this documentation, you can follow it. Okay. But let's introduce our system. What we will do. Okay. First here, let's go to here. We'll find one connection. You can connect with any wallets, and also here plus 100 wallets, all wallet accepted, all EVM can, or use smart wallets from here. Let's connect it with MetaMask. Now we work with Spolia, okay? And here now, if you connect, we'll find this dashboard if I admin, because there is admins. We can add any admin or see it, its profile, OLT stacking and reward. This is our token we use, our balance from token or native token, Ethereum, okay? Let's go here. This is front end. You can see here how many I can use. I can add, for example, 100, and we'll see here if I select, this is 1 minute for testing only. This is 30 days, 60, 9, 1 year, 2 years, okay, and this is percentage also. You can change it from smart contract, okay. Let's do to test this. It's 1 minute, okay. I will get 100, okay, 10,000, their percentage. This is homepage, okay. We'll find this landing page. You can edit it with your logo, color theme, and single like this, okay, and you connect wallet, choose amount, and start earning. Okay, and this is small footer. You can edit also. Let's do stack. When stack here, you need to approve. This is confirmed to approve add 100 TKN. It's token name, and here okay approved, and I will add it to confirm it. Okay, it's stacking happen, and if you go here, we'll find all transaction. If do stack, you can open is at Spolia. Now we'll see all operations here at Web3. Okay, this system work with all EVMs. Okay, it's done. Okay, we can go here to profile as a user. I will see I will see here how manage token as native balance, token stacked, total reward I get will get stacking, and this is reward. This is old one. I can claim it now. This is that I will do it today. Will be logged after 1 minute because I can claim reward here. If here we should visit. This is the task that I mentioned you. Each one you if you want to delete this as you like. But for Islamic way, we should do small tasks, thing like I visit this is domain and will get completed. Okay, when completed, I can claim this reward. Okay, this reward and can also unstack it as you like. This logic happen when um, if you unstack, will get only your token. If you have claim and unstack, will get the claim and I stack with you as you like. Okay. And here we have to view for system. You can see it and refreshed. It's now this is available for claim reward. You can claim it now. This is happen as you like. Okay, and you can check this is for the user. About admin, if you admin will find this is if you admin here. This is same admin will find this. You can go to admins here. You can see it's fully dashboard for admin that's manage contracts, tasks, and manage admin. And here the side menu, you can see it and see list transactions. This is happening from now. With this is claimed from this user. You can view it at Etherscan. Okay, and here we'll see active stacker. This is analysis. Okay, that. And here you can add task or see the task that user happen. One of this happen randomly, random, okay, for user before complete or claim the token. This is for Islamic way. You can delete it as you like, but be sure you do this. This is tasks. You can edit it, okay. You can edit it or delete it or add new task with title, description, and URL for task. And here manage contract you add for stacking contract and token contract. And you can see you know the contract should have tokens for send reward. Okay, for this always we should have here contract reward. And this is happen. I have now 3 users. Maybe I have extra reward here. I can manage from this here. And here you can deposit tokens or withdraw tokens. It's only work for admin. Total logged token now, and unpaid reward until now. And this is, you can manage all stack system, okay, for this. And here admins, you can add any admin you want. Here we have this addresses. If you admin and want to add admin, only get the new admin address and add it here and add admin. Okay, will be admin. You can see this dashboard. And here's the transaction. You can see the full transaction we have for all or for stack only or for reward also, as you like. Okay, it's filtration for all staking pagination work here. And now you can manage all this. You will find all design here. You can edit it. Also, .env example, you will need, we will use MongoDBs for save transactions for Web2 and Web3, of course, but this is for fast. We save at both. Next, stacking in the word after W added here. Okay, and also Rion connect because we use Rion wallet to can connect with multi wallets. Rion, you can you can see it. It's very useful. Wallet connection, work with mobile, work with web as you like. Okay, and this is the full system we do. If you have any question, you can contact me. You can get our theme at Etsy. Okay, you can find this is here. I think this one. You can view it. Okay, you will find the link in description. This one, you can get it with customization and things like this. If you have any question, you can contact me. Thanks. Goodbye.